Jeannie's trying to get Misty to move them through. The fences are a little bit low, so the ducks decided to go over, but she did a good job of getting them on target and through that area. Good job, Misty. Now she's going to head them right through these two camels. Oh, we got two through. And they come back. Good job, Misty. There you saw the shed where she divided them into two groups. And Misty's a more experienced dog. She's been doing this longer. You see how she naturally watches both groups and her handler to say, what do you want me to do with each one? And she keeps them apart because she knows that's her job. If you're close enough to hear what Jeannie's saying, another command that he's been herding is there, or right there. That tells the dog as you're moving them left or right around the stock. When you say there, that means take the stock on a straight line from right where I tell you. Right where I say there, that means I want them to go straight from there.
Really had it up on.